I never wanted to look young. I wanted.
Beautiful.
You know, you really can't beat streaky bacon, but I have this
It's just you. But what defines you is not.
Here's a red pozole, then you garnish to choice. This is definitely.
Show me.
Bringing you.
It takes power to make fitness and health a priority.
3, 2.
Flag.
I don't like this one. I'm kind of freaking out about it.
Lifetime Achievement Award from the Taste Awards. I love it.
Hi everyone, it's Rosanna Pansino. I just wanted to thank the Taste Awards for choosing me for this award.
Hi, Taste Awards.
Hi, I'm Sarah Moulton, host of Sarah's Weeknight Meals on public television.
Thank you to everyone at the Taste Awards.
Thank you so much for this award. What an incredible honor to win a Tasty.